Welcome to Alpenstock World School, nestled near the breathtaking Dalhousie Hills, Dunera, Punjab. A heaven of learning, growth and holistic development. Affiliated with the ICSE board, we are dedicated to nurturing young minds, fostering academic brilliance and instilling values that shape responsible global citizens. Alpenstock World School's achievements speak for themselves. With a 99% academic success rate and numerous accolades, we continue to set benchmarks in education with 30+ extracurricular activities, state-of-the-art sports facilities, and our dedicated team of coaches. We prepare our students to compete and succeed beyond academics. Our dedicated educators are mentors and guides, committed to inspiring students to reach their full potential. At Alpenstock, creativity flourishes. Our art and music programs encourage students to express themselves and discover their unique talents. Our modern laboratories provide hands-on learning experiences, igniting curiosity and a passion for scientific exploration. Our well-stocked library serves as a gateway of knowledge, fostering a love for reading and lifelong learning.
Our common room, the ultimate chill zone. To debates, movie nights, and music jams. You name it, we have done it.
As a complete residential school, we provide a safe and nurturing environment where students feel at home, building lifelong friendships.
Welcome to the boarding bus, where the lights never go out, the laughter never stops, and the memories never fade.
Here, it's not just where we live, it's where we thrive together. As one crazy, happy family. From pillow fights to made-night snacks. From shared secrets to shared dreams, boarding life is pure magic. Drama, comedy, and endless fun. It's all right here.
We create tomorrow's leaders today.
At Alpenstock World School, we don't just educate, we empower. Join us on this journey of excellence and holistic growth. For more details, visit us at www.alpenstockworldschool.com.